True morning doesn't start until you've got a nice fresh cup of coffee. Oh man. Oh. Can't knock coffee. Fucking beautiful. So today, nothing new with today. Another day of work from 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock. One of those times I start work. It is time for some breakfast. What am I having for breakfast? Here we go. Some maple crunch whole grain cereal. Because it's delicious. Yeah. I gotta do this unboxing with one hand. Breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Okay, I'm all ready for work. And now, let's enjoy this day and go to work. There's a truck driving right past. Okay, so, I thought on my way to work, I'll tell you guys a little bit about myself. My name's Troy. I am 25 years old and I work at The Good Guys. I'm a computer salesman. It's what I do as a job. I work on computers. I do a little bit of tinkering here and there. But other than that, it's mainly selling. So, I just put petrol in the car. And I forgot to put on deodorant when I left work when I left for work this morning. So, I had to buy some deodorant as well. I don't know if that's correct. Lynx Apollo. Smells kind of good, so we're gonna go with it. Whoa, truck, stay in your lane. So I'm just about to roll into work. Pretty cruisy drive, nothing crazy. I'll listen to a bit of my podcast and traffic. I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee because Lord knows I need another one. And that'll get my day started. Well, that's something interesting to see in front of my work, isn't it? I'm just having a break, quick cigarette. I was lighting my fucking cigarette and I burnt my fucking hand. Like real goddamn bad. So that's gonna swell up like crazy. I'm not gonna enjoy it. My hand's gonna be fucking sore for a few days. Oh well, what do you do? Dangers of smoking. Don't smoke. Don't smoke. What's up? Well, okay. So for you guys, it's been literally about a second. For me, it's been flipping hours. So I just finished my day at work. Crappy day. We're doing stock take. It's a whole thing. I hate traffic. Alright. I just got home. Place looks the same as any other day. So work was shit. I had a shit day at work. Wonder if I got any mail. I don't know if you can see it. Have a look at this. Fucking junk. Oh, this has got to be a great video. Just watching me, Can you guys see it? This has been a random fucking day. There is just this cat that's been staring at me for God knows how long. First it was the Lamborghini. Now it's this cat. What does he want? I think he's plotting to try and kill me. He's just standing there. Yeah, I don't know. I love these bikes. This is my baby. I got a mate coming down soon. I'm gonna take her for a spin. Just another note. Repping the Jigsaw shirt. Hell yeah. Woo! Give us a wave. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so we just got to a place near my house. We thought we'd get some shots with his new GoPro. I think he's just checking it out now.
Yeah, boy.
We're gonna see how it looks, and then we're gonna continue on. We still don't know where we're going, so we're gonna figure that out. But we'll let you guys know when we get there. Okay, peace. So we just got back, and basically, we did a fucking lap. We did a giant fucking lap around the area, and then just said, you know what, fuck it. We got tea here. We're gonna come back and finish our teas. Well, I think that's it for the night. I did a bit today. Took the bike out, that was fun. I'm gonna edit this video. I'm gonna upload it. And then I'm gonna go to bed. Remember to like, favorite, and subscribe. Like and subscribe, favorite. Like, favorite, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace out. Have a good night.